Welcome to Logimeter Insights, where we provide you with an overview of the X-Tracker portal and the functionality it offers. In this video, we'll cover call tracking and advert tracking. Call tracking allows you to retrieve and review call recordings. This functionality is useful, for example, dealing with customer disputes and analyzing how your callers are being managed. Advert tracking allows you to measure the success of a particular campaign by linking it to a tracking number. In order to log in, go to logimeter.com and select Login. Note your user details will be supplied by the Logimeter support team. Alternatively, if you have existing details and forgot your password, please feel free to use the Forgot Password option. Once logged in, it may take a few seconds for your data to load. The column on the left displays all menu options available in the X-Tracker portal. The center column displays all filters and all call events. The column on the right displays all details based on your selection. If you wish to review a specific call, please select this call within the center column. Note all details populates on the right. To listen to the call, please scroll down and select play. If you wish to refine your search, within the center column, you'll find an advanced search. Please apply one of the filters to how you wish to consume your information. Note, to view any active adverts, please select Advert Tracking. This will display all adverts you currently have live with the Logimeter number. If you wish to create a new advert, please select the plus icon. On the right, input your details. For this example, I'll be naming it as Test 1. Select your start date. Select your end date. Select the owner. Select which number you wish to utilize. If there's a cost affiliated to this media platform, please insert it. For this example, I won't be inserting a cost. Select Save. Note your ad has successfully been created. This is one of many how-to videos which will be released by the Logimeter team. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email us at support@logimeter.com.